Codename One builds native apps and games in Java from one codebase. Today, a three-dimensional dungeon becomes playable without hand-coding its geometry. A dungeon is not just a mesh. The wall layout, spawn point, collision shapes, camera, movement, radar, lighting, terrain, and combat must agree. Encoding that world as scattered coordinates delays every useful playtest. Mature game engines organize three-dimensional work around scenes, cameras, lights, meshes, and physics. GLTF defines a runtime-neutral structure for scenes, nodes, meshes, materials, cameras, and animation. Game Builder stores the dungeon scene, meshes, walls, spawn, lights, and typed properties as project data. A playstyle supplies movement and collision, while the generated companion class exposes the named objects and hooks that make this dungeon unique. The Java excerpt adds projectile behavior. It does not rebuild the maze. The canonical captures show the actual progression from empty scene to walls to spawn to the first playable walk in combat. The important animation is the game state itself. The viewpoint enters the corridor, the wall stops movement, the radar tracks nearby objects, and a projectile travels through the scene. The level remains editable data throughout. The developer reaches the useful question sooner. Does this dungeon feel good to play? Geometry stays visual, scene files stay reviewable, and Java stays focused on the rules that make the game distinctive. Choose the next mechanic: enemies, inventory, or streaming worlds.